Our business is a local, start to finish, Mexican salsa, sauces, and tortilla chip line. We started in the recession in 2008. Sergio did construction, I was a medical assistant. We both had our 9-to-5s, and everything was normal until he got laid off numerous times. And then money was tight, so for Christmas gifts and things like that, we would just bottle salsa. After people received it for Christmas, they started wanting to buy it from us. And I was like, what is it even worth? My daughter actually sold the first bottle to the neighbor, and we joined farmers markets from there. The first farmers market was Wheeler Farm. We were one of their first vendors, and we're still there 11 years later. Everybody at the farmers market, if they know you're a local company, they're like, oh, are you in Harmons? It's synonymous with local. They treat us great from behind the scenes all the way to on the shelf. And we would never be where we are today without our relationship with Harmons. Our salsa is a completely clean line. You likely have everything in our bottles probably in your house already. There's no hard to pronounce ingredients, sugars, oils, preservatives, anything like that. We get all of our produce in whole form. We grill it, we chop it, we blend it, and then we bottle it, and that's all we do. We use a sealed bottle, so an anaerobic state, and a low acid level to keep it safe for consumption rather than any kind of chemical additives. We took a very traditional, on everybody's table in Mexico product and brought it to Utah. We fry all of our chips, we make all of our salsas, we source our produce from local farmers, we can them in-house, no co-packing, and then we also ship them out to the stores. We really put our heart and soul into everything we do. From the farmers we choose to work with, the people we meet at the farmers markets. We remember everybody. We remember your name and the stories about your families and whatever. We're a real family taking care of real Utah families, and we pride ourselves on that.